Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katrina, and in today's video we're going to be doing a 10-minute speed clean with me. Y'all, I am super excited because tonight, y'all, it is date night for me and my husband. No kids, just me and him needing that one-on-one time together. So I'm going to be cleaning my living room, kitchen, and girls' bathroom. We are having a babysitter come over to watch the girls. So I want to make sure, you know, everything is clean and tidied up for them to feel comfortable and to feel relaxed and, you know. So at this time, my husband has taken the girls out to the park. So I'm going to go ahead and take this time to get everything tidied up and get my stuff together as well. But I won't be showing, you know, me getting ready or anything like that. This is just a strictly 10-minute clean with me video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new and you clicked on today's video, hello, welcome. Again, my name is Katrina, and I'm a stay-at-home mom to two beautiful girls, ages 9 and 3. And I'm also a military spouse. My husband's name is Joe. On my channel, I love to provide cleaning motivation, laundry motivation, home decor ideas, and grocery hauls, clothing hauls. I'm also in the process of redecorating my home. So if you're into that type of content, definitely hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment introducing yourself so I can personally welcome you to Katrina Does It All. And with that being said, now y'all, let's go ahead and jump into this video. If you're cleaning along with me, let's get to it. If you're not, sit back, chill, and watch your girl clean.
Like oh my God, I'm buzzing, let's drink up.
Okay, y'all, so as you just seen, I just got done wiping my coffee table down and fixing the pillows, folding some blankets up, you know, just tidying up the couch. I went in using my Love Max surface cleaner to clean my coffee table. Again, y'all, if you have not tried Love Max surface cleaner, I'll leave it in the description box below. You guys can head over and check it out for yourself. And as you guys can see, I got me a new vacuum. I love it. I'm super excited for my new vacuum, y'all. It has been long overdue for one. Do I miss my old big bulky vacuum by Bissell? Yes, I do. But I love this one more because I'm able to go here and there around the house without having to unplug and wrap up. I ain't got to worry about any of that, okay? So that's the good thing about that. So this is the after of how everything looks. Everything looks so refreshing and clean. So now we're going to go ahead and move into the kitchen area. So moving on to the kitchen, I don't have much to do in here except for wipe the countertops down, throw some trash away, sweep, and then go in with my Swiffer mop and mop everything up.
Have some fun if you love me right, yeah. This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
So y'all, here is a quick sneak peek of my husband's office. No, it's not finished, and there is a lot of stuff that I need to change out, but I'm loving it so far. My husband loves it. It looked way better than it did before, thank God. But yeah, it's coming together pretty well. I will not be doing a video of the office space makeover. Instead, I'll probably do a tour of it in one of my cleaning videos. So once it comes together, I'll do you guys a quick tour in one of my upcoming cleaning videos. So here I'm just going to wipe down all of the countertops really well. Again, I am using my Love Mint surface cleaner.
Let's go. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it.
We are now a little bit over 7 minutes into this video. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. I hope you are getting the motivation that you need to get some things done around your home if you're cleaning along with me. If you're not following my Instagram, I'll go ahead and put it up here on the screen so you guys can head over and follow me. I post all type of content over there, from date night videos to just, you know, everyday life stuff.
'Cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer. It's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it how your touch feels. I love it.
We are now in the girls' bathroom. I am going to go in with Love Mint surface cleaner again and wipe the countertops down, and then I'm going to go in with my spray away and clean the girls' mirror. I do want to say that I apologize for how bad the quality of this video right here, well, this clip right here is. I don't know what was going on, but I think it was the lighting. The lighting was terrible in the girls' bathroom. That's why I hate filming in their bathroom, because the lighting is just bad. And it's so dark and dull up in there. I hate it. But I'm going to be doing a makeover on the girls' bathroom pretty soon. I'm just trying to figure out what theme I want to go with, or if I just want to go with some simple, cute colors. I don't want to go too girly, but I don't want it to be like, oh, this is just a guest bathroom, because I do want it to be guest / my girls' bathroom, if that makes sense. If you guys have any ideas, drop it down in the comments below. Here I am going in with the Lysol sanitizing wipes, and I'm just going to clean and sanitize the toilet really well. And inside of the toilet, I'm going to be going in again with the Love Mint surface cleaner. Okay, y'all, so this video is now coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got the cleaning motivation that you needed to get things done around your home. If not, go back and rewatch this video again until you're able to get up and get motivated. If you still can't get motivated, don't worry. Click the video here on the screen and hopefully it'll get you up and going. I'm positive it'll get you up and going. It is packed with tons of cleaning and laundry motivation. And until next time, y'all, I will catch you in next week's video. Please make sure you're subscribed and thumbs up this video.